Welcome to ZWO, the astronomical equipment brand that has been making astrophotography easy and fun for over a decade. Our founder, Sam Wen, established ZWO in 2011 with a mission to challenge traditional thinking and build an intelligent astrophotography ecosystem. Over the years, we have taken innovation and ingenuity as the key to our business growth, and years of dedication has made us a leading brand in the astrophotography market. Multiple of our camera models won the Hot Sky Product Award by the Sky and Telescope magazine in 2016 and 2017. In 2018, we released the game-changer ASI Air, a smart controller device that revolutionizes the way astrophotographers capture and process images of the night sky. In 2021, ZWO released the Harmonic Mount AM5, another addition to ZWO's ecosystem of astrophotography equipment. Every year, ZWO introduces more than 10 new products and brings new technology to the astrophotography field. With over 40 patents, including 2 pioneering invention patents, our company has been recognized with several prestigious titles by the state government that acknowledge our commitment to innovation and technological advancement. We also take great pride in our commitment to quality control and every aspect of the production process, from the initial design to material selection, testing, assembly, certification, and beyond, is subject to rigorous and meticulous control measures. This level of attention to detail is what sets us apart from the competition. At ZWO, we understand that creating outstanding hardware products is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to providing a streamlined astrophotography experience. That's why we are equally committed to developing cutting-edge software products that work seamlessly alongside our hardware offerings. The ASI Studio is an all-in-one astrophotography software platform that is specifically tailored to work in tandem with ZWO cameras and provides a range of functionalities, including planetary imaging, video stacking, DSO imaging, live stacking, simple post-processing, FITS files preview, and more. The ASI Air mobile application is tailored to the specific needs of astrophotographers, providing an integrated workflow including camera control, mount control, EAF control, precise focusing, auto run, post-processing, and many other functions. With our ASI Mount mobile application, users can effortlessly take control of their mount using mobile devices, eliminating the need for hand controllers or being tethered to the mount. It is the shared love for astrophotography that unites us all and drives the ZWO team to continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Together, we have traveled across the country in pursuit of the perfect shot of the night sky, leaving footprints from the picturesque landscapes of Dali and Guilin to the rugged terrain of Daosheng, Dunhuang, Inner Mongolia, and Xizang. We believe that by immersing ourselves in the natural beauty of our surroundings, we can gain a deeper appreciation and understanding of the universe we seek to capture. Moving forward, ZWO remains committed to its mission of making astrophotography easy and fun for amateur astronomers worldwide. Our goal is to enable enthusiasts of all levels to explore the wonders of the universe with ease and precision, so they can focus on what matters most, discovering the beauty and mysteries of the cosmos. To empower and inspire everyone's journey in astrophotography.